Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you back. Today we are going to be doing the hot oil treatment for our natural hair. Let's go. So today we'll be needing warm water. So this is me adding my hot boiling water into this pan, and I mixed it up with my cold water, and I had to check for the hotness. I don't want it to be too hot because I'm using a plastic bottle. So guys, just make sure that whatever water you're using, whatever heat temperature you're using, make sure it's not too hot for your bottle because it might melt your bottle. But at this point I realized that my water was just too small for my bottle and it was not sitting into it, so I added more hot water and of course more cold water to dilute that, and it was more enough for my bottle to sit inside. So I kept this for 10 minutes. I kept the oil into it for 10 minutes. So the benefits of hot oil treatments. So the very first thing, which is the most important thing, is it leaves your hair shining and soft. If you have a very thick natural hair, you understand the struggle of detangling natural hair. This is going to be like your best treatment when you have that issue. So if you're looking for a treatment that helps you with making your hair soft and making your hair shining, this is actually one very important one. So I kept my hair into bantu knot, and it's time to apply the oil to my hair, right? So the very first thing you're going to do is, firstly, you're going to finger detangle. The another thing I'm also big on after my natural hair is I don't like breakage. So when I detangle my hair, I make sure that I walk my fingers through my hair before I put in I started using comb, right? So you want to remove the knot and everything. I'm still going to show you how many hair I lost after all of this process, and you guys will be shocked at the amount of hair I lost. So if you want to avoid breakage, you don't even need too much of product. You need to just know how to detangle your hair. Don't mind my face, I'm so dramatic, but the oil has to be warm for you to have that, hot oil treatment feeling. I don't know if you get what I mean, but that's it. So like I said earlier, I don't know if I've mentioned it, you can use any oil of your choice. It doesn't have to be a particular oil. Just make sure you know what your hair likes. I'm using the Kenny's Naturals egg with oil. You can use any oil of your choice or a mixture of oils is fine. So at this point, I'm very comfortable to use my wide tooth comb. And you can see how my comb is walking through my hair, leaving my hair with no breakage at all. So after I was done, I kept it into a two-strand twist, and that was it. So that's just what I did for the rest of my hair, and that's just it. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, go and subscribe. Just click that subscribe button and join the family. We are cool people here and we talk about everything natural hair. We are growing our hair together. And let me know any hair issue you have. Probably you want me to film on that. You can just drop it in the comment section. If you don't have anything to drop, just to drop something. Okay, there's something about YouTube, what's it called? It's something about YouTube share. The more you engage, the more the videos get to a more larger audience. So just do me a favor by dropping the comments, liking and sharing to your friends. It goes a long way. Okay, thank you. So I was done, and okay, I show you a clip where I was putting back the oil into the warm water. That was because my oil was already getting very cold, and you don't want that. So another thing I'm big on is massaging my scalp and my edges. Guys, if you know me very well, you know I'm so big on my scalp and I'm so big on my edges. Like, those are the two areas I focus more on. So what I did basically is just apply the oil to my scalp and also to my my edges, and I give myself a really good massage. It helps your hair, it helps the oil penetrate more into your hair. And not so fun fact, one thing you should have at the back of your mind is when you are doing this treatment, you are going to feel so much heat on your body. I was doing this in a very close place, like in the toilet. It was so much of a heating thing for me, but I don't know. But just make sure you do it in an open space where you will not be exposed to so much heat. So I left this for 30 minutes, and this is how my hair looks. My hair looks really lush, looks really fluffy and all that, shining, and it was really soft. And I was about to use the comb, and I'm like, I don't need that comb, right? So let me know what you guys think about this treatment, if you're going to try it. I do this I do this once every month. But if you're trying to speed up the process, maybe your hair is really hard and difficult to work with, you can do this twice every month. It is not something that has side effects. It is really good. But after this, you need to wash off your hair. I will not show that because I don't want this video to be too long. But I'm going to be using my black soap from Kenny's Naturals to wash my hair, and I'll show you how my hair looks after that. Okay, so this is my hair. I've not washed it yet. It was looking so wonderful already. So if your hair lacks moisture, this is another treatment you cannot or you should not run away from. Okay, so that's it. This is my shampoo. I had my hair washed, but this is the total number of hair I lost. Like look at just very small. So I've finished washing my hair. The shine is there, everything is there. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Bye.